So guys, after a long time, and it is like a bird out of the cage, I decided to go somewhere, and that is somewhere is like me and my friends. We three of us went for the camping that is in Malshesh, and we, like, you might have heard about it. Malshesh is very beautiful in the rainy season. Yes, so we decided to go to the Malshesh that is for the camping. And we were three of us, तो हम लोग निकले यहाँ से 9 साढ़े 9 बजे. Okay, yeah, so 9 साढ़े 9 बजे निकले, and we can say we reached over there at 2:30. So while going from the, we can say from my place towards the market, that is, you can say Navi Mumbai side, from here to there, it was just totally, it took 2 hours to 40 minutes for us to reach over there. And while going, we, like, it took a time. So we had some snacks, we had tried snacks, even there was a tea stall while going, so we had tea and just went off with the ride. And when we reached at 2:30 exactly over there. It was a timing to reach over there at 2:30. Like, all the campers has to reach over there at 2:30. तो हम लोग वैसे तो 2:30 बजे एग्जैक्टली पहुँच गए, एंड वी वर द फर्स्ट पीपल ओवर टू रीच ओवर दैट कैंप. मीन्स लाइक, apart from the organizers, the campers. And I want to tell you, the camping is that is greenscaping camping. We had went to the greenscaping camping. I have mentioned the details about the greenscaping camping. You can go through it if you want to go. Okay. And yes, after reaching over the place where the camp is there, so we could see the place was very beautiful all over. Like, you can see that the left side was the tenting was there, all the tents were set up, and there was in front of the tents only there was a lake, big lake, and there was just a road, and this side was a residential, some people were staying, and apart all over the greenery was there. But you know, the first thing, like, when I reached over the place, वो वैसे इतना ग्रीनरी एंड ऑल इतना अच्छा था ना, लिटरली आई लाइक्ड इट. आई इनफैक्ट आई लव्ड इट by looking at all the greenery. And so it was just like rainy season, it's like rainy season, so I enjoyed it, the view, and it was so beautiful. So after reaching 2:30, like, there was a snack over there. They were supposed to get, like, it was misal pav. They served us with the misal pav, and misal pav was very good. I loved it, and because it was specially prepared on the how the village people cook the food on the chulhas, so the taste is different as compared to food cooked at the home. So I loved the misal pav, so it was fantastic. And after having the misal pav, we took a round. We, like, took a round, means like, हम लोग वॉक पे निकले just to see the place and all. So we were just निकले, and like, there was that lake was very, you can say, very big. At the end of the lake, there was a road till the end of it. It was so beautiful, the view and all. When we reached to the end of the road, the view of the lake was very beautiful. It's like, ऐसा लग रहा था आसमान और नदी का मिलन हो रहा था. It's अच्छा लग रहा था. And after, like, we clicked many photos over there, me and my friends. So after clicking the photos, there's many things. And what happened after we like taking back towards walk towards the camp itself. So हम लोग कैंप के यहाँ पे पहुँचे back again. And apart from us, there were many groups over there who came for the camping. And not, I can say, many people. We were total were 20 people for the camping over there, and it was very good. And there were at 8 o'clock to, and this time was going on, like, we were talking to each other, we're just enjoying the view and all. And later on, it took 8 o'clock to 8:30, they served the barbecue. Okay, and the special about the tents is, like, at as the night comes down, there you can see the fairy lights over there. You can say, like, around the tents. It was just too beautiful, like, too good and too beautiful. तो वैसे तो देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. So, like, the night view, and it's very cold. It's cold and very good. So that was a Okay, I forgot to tell you about the water sport activity, that is kayaking we had done over that place. After coming back towards the tent, we had done the kayaking in the lake, which we enjoyed very much, my dear friends. And it was very good water sport activity to do in the rainy season. It was good. It was not that very, it's not like something risky or something, but it was good to have, water sport activity after so many days. So it was fun, kind of. And as like, okay, after just it was setting, like जैसे रात हो रही थी, तो all our tents, like around our tents there were, you can say, fairy lights, as I told you. And it was the view of the lake in front of your tents, and that fairy lights, it's all looking all good. It was so awesome. And in that, like 8 o'clock to 8:30, the barbecue is served over there. And there was also, with the you can say, with the bonfire is also there. With the bonfire, we also enjoyed the you can say music over there. There was a karaoke. We had a lot of fun games over there, and we enjoyed all over the timing over the evening. And after having the, you can say, fun games, you can say music, enjoyed the music, dancing, and the music also हम लोग ने वैसे enjoy किया था. And after having so much fun, we went for the dinner, and the dinner was for both the people, like vegetarian people, for the non-vegetarian people, for both of them. So, and the food was tasty, trust me guys, it was tasty. Like veg thali and non-veg thali, both were good. And after having the food, we went to sleep in the tents. And trust me, हम लोग इतने जल्दी तो सोए नहीं. We were all having fun, chit chatting, talking to each other, and just like singing songs and all. So like it took a time. We slept afterwards, 1:30 somewhere around. And after we slept, and the morning view, we got up in the morning. So the morning view was so beautiful. It was like mountains, greenery. 6 o'clock, I got up, and I woke up. I told my friends to woke up. तो उनको भी उठने के लिए कहा. And after seeing the view was so beautiful outside, the mountains, in front of you also there are mountains, behind of you, behind you there is a mountain, and the lake. It was just like so blue, green, some awesome view, just beautiful. After like this, after seeing the view and all, थोड़ा freshen up होके हम सब फिर we had a breakfast over there, that is poha. We had a breakfast over there, that is poha. Yes, so after reaching having the delicious breakfast, poha and tea, so we had like about to go for the track. But unfortunately, like due to some things, like we didn't go up for the track, me and my friends. So the track was something good over, like, can say, where the waterfall is there only the track was there. And I've heard about that track was very good. Previously the people had a went. I didn't go, but I will suggest you should go. So this is like how I enjoyed my camping. So this is how we had fun over in like you can say in the Malshresh camping. It was very good, and that is greenscaping camping, guys. So I have mentioned in my description box about the details about it. So if you want to have fun over there, you can just check on with the details and just have fun over there. And it is very good place, greenscaping camping. I loved it, and I think you should also go over it and enjoy your time. You can say to have to spend your weekend in such a place, it's so awesome. You will enjoy it, and I will suggest you to also have fun with your, we can say, family or friends, so you can go with it and enjoy. So let's meet for the till the next vlog. Bye.